now. A health warning from the Indiana State Department of Health today. Legionnaires bacteria was reported at the ManorCare Health Services. That's in Anderson because of a contaminated water system. Fewer than 5 people have tested positive for the disease so far, and they are not believed to have suffered any serious health problems. The contaminated water system has been shut down for now, and there the department says there is no longer a threat of the disease at the facility. We'll keep you updated as this story develops and bring you the latest right here on WRTV 6.